So I am not expecting anything out of this box. It is just for funsies. But if you guys want to see what is in a ThredUP fun box, just stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms, which will be linked down below. And I am a part-time reseller on Poshnmark and eBay. So on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from hauls to what sold videos to unboxings, as well as some tips and tricks along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. Okay, you guys, I said I wasn't gonna order ThredUP rescue boxes anymore. Well, actually, I said I was going to take a pause, and I did pause for 4 months, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I have not ordered any of these rescue boxes for 4 whole months, but, you know, they kind of tricked me. This is what I'm going to say. They tricked me because I do randomly look sometime just to see if anything cool is available, and the other day I looked, and their DIY designer boxes were available. And they're never available when I look on there, so I was really excited. Had it in my cart, went to pay. It said they were sold out. I was like, it was in my cart. Once it's in your cart, it's in your cart. That's not true. Like, you'd be a lot of websites where they're like, it's sold out, even though it was in your cart. Anyway, so I missed out on that box. And I guess to vent my frustration out on ThredUP, I bought other boxes from them, which was not a well thought out plan. Anyway, I ended up going back and buying 2 boxes. The first was 5 name brand handbags, which will be in another video. And then I also bought what's going to be in this video today, which is like their fun box, I think it's called. And it's just like random items. So I've like never gotten this box before. I've seen 1 or 2 unboxings. It's usually the most craziest of things, like, you know, a cute but unbranded scarf, or, you know, some, you know, mall glasses. Nothing like crazy to resell, more than likely. I just did it as a fun unboxing because you guys know I love surprises. I talk about this all the time. So I just really want to see what's in this box. Hence why I'm basically ready for bed. Except I put a little makeup on. Because I wanted to open this. I got it today. I need to open it. So we're going to go ahead. This is going to be a quick video. Just going to go through it. I'll let you know if anything I think will be worth reselling. And if it is, I'll go ahead and put the comps down below. Yeah, so let's get into this box. Yes, I like it when these ThredUP boxes come in these like little ones with the tab because I can reuse them. I can't really reuse those big ones and they usually come all damaged. But anyway, this box came from Georgia, by the way. Solani, Georgia, I think is where the warehouse is. Oh yeah, a little bit about this box is I paid $29.99 for it, which that includes shipping. I think it was originally $24. Yeah, it was originally $24, but with shipping it's $29.99, meaning each item is $2.99. So let's see what we got. I see something fuzzy. Ooh, we got slippers. We got a size small slippers, which is totally cool because I have tiny feet. And they are by a brand, PJ Salvage. Weirdly, I think I heard this before. Is it Walmart? I don't know, but they feel nice. I'm kind of happy about these. I bet I could wear these, and they're probably like kid size. I bet you I could wear these. I'm gonna try them on. Hold up. They're brand new, by the way. They have the stuff in it. Let's try these on. Oh yeah, easily fit. Easily fit. Uh-huh. Well, got me some new house shoes. All right, cool. And then we also got Marona boot topper socks. All right, there you go. I don't really wear real shoes anymore. Pre-wear my house shoes, or now those shoes, and tennis shoes when I go, you know, to Target and Goodwill, because that's all I go. All right. We have some Christian Dior silk sheer pantyhose. Yeah, these are $7.50. I think these are vintage. Are they vintage? Look at, I don't know. I think all pantyhose things still look like this, actually. I couldn't even tell you the last time I wore pantyhose. Maybe when I was in a wedding in the 90s. Anyway, that's fun. All right. Then we got a cuff bracelet. I don't think it has any branding on it. They do have like cut out hearts in it. It's just a floral cuff bracelet. All right. Oh, okay. And we got another boot sock. This one has a little lace top. What is this? This is Yoleti. I'm assuming like a boutique brand. Hot pink. What? Oh, are these used pantyhose? No, it's not used pantyhose. It's a headband. It is a headband with this symbol sewn into it. That'd have been cool if it was Lululemon. But it's not. I don't know what this is. It looks like a 9 or a B. I don't know. It's kind of a nice headband though. It's like silky. I wonder if this is something good. That'd be interesting. It does have like a pin, like somebody has a safety pin in it. Cool. All right, we got a little patent belt here. J. Crew Factory. Size large. How did they know? Who wears these little thin little belts anymore? Hey, you know what? But I bet you that I'll find a dress one day at Goodwill or the bins that's missing a belt. Hey, silver lining. Let's be positive. Okay, now we got a pair of suck-in panties. It's like they know who this box is for. Except they're a size small, so all right. So high-waisted shaper shorts by Epatois. Rule Your Destiny. Rule Your Destiny by Shapewear. Okay, so got some of those. I might be able to resell that. I don't know. All right, we got a pretty cheap looking little necklace. It is by Amber Seats. How can I not say this? Anyway, it's an Australian company. Little necklace. What is this, a tote? Oh, it's a nice little tote. Oh, it's a tote that says Barcelona on it. I guess I need to go to Barcelona now. Robin and Ruth. Yeah, Barcelona bag. It's kind of a pretty bag. A little floral print. It's new too. It's one of those bags you buy when you go to those places. It's like a souvenir. All right, and we do have a scarf. I told you there'd be a scarf in it. But it is branded. It's A New Day, which is Target. So I have me a scarf, which it never gets cold here. But that's okay. Maybe I'll just put it in my Posh closet as like a bundle item. So yeah, that is the box, guys. This is a short video. Maybe I should unbox both boxes. No, I'm just gonna do the one. I got some short videos. I don't need to have 40-minute long videos all the time. So let's count the items. Actually, I think that was 11 items. So hey, extra item brings that cost of goods down. Anyway, that was fun, you know. Got some stuff I can use. I can maybe resell something in here. I could use that belt if I'm ever missing a belt. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that fun little video. Let me know down below if you have missed these ThredUP unboxings. I kind of have. I do like it. I do enjoy unboxing all of this stuff. It's just fun for me. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.